everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1970 Dodge Challenger. This is a rare car, guys. Ton of options. This is a true RTSE car. And as we work our way around the back, you're going to see something that I'm sure is very rare, probably one of one. This is a factory FC7 Plum Crazy purple car with a factory orange tail stripe. Like I said, I've never seen it before. The car's been documented by Galen, and he made the comment it's probably one of one. But again, true RTSE car. It is a factory 4-speed car. As we go through it, I try to give you all the options. It has been upgraded. It's a factory 3-3 car. They've upgraded it to a 440 6-pack. It is a complete rotisserie restoration. The bottom of this car is as nice as the top. We got some great pictures of the bottom. We'll post them for you. In very nice car, guys. I bought this car from a good guy. The restoration is not very old. Good car, just like I say, it's a rare car with a ton of options. We'll kind of go through them here. You can see the chrome and stainless is nice. It's got the little bumperettes on it. Pretty car, really slick paint. I've probably put, I'm gonna say 10-15 miles on it. Sorry, just a little wax there, guys. Rides out good, drives good. Shaker hood, they've actually added the shaker hood. You can see the trimmer on the windows is very nice. Good car. New front windshield. Vinyl top's in excellent shape. Really nice car. Again, I've got some of the receipts on the restoration, but I do have all that Gordon documentation. We've ordered one of these guys. I'm not real sure what happened to that rear taillight lens, but we've ordered a new one. Sorry about the dust, man. They get dusty out here quick. You can see the car's nice and flat down the sides. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with the rally wheels. It's got the correct RT rear valance with the chrome tips. Straight car, pretty car. Nice set of rallies. You can see it's all body color in the wheel wells. Again, it is, you can wax the bottom, guys. It's that nice. Power front disc brakes. Again, original 3-3 car. Now that's a 69 block, 440, 6-pack carbs and intake, power steering, power front disc brakes. You can see it's got the stock exhaust manifolds on it. It does have the matching numbers 4-speed manual trans in it. They've upgraded it to electronic ignition. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood here. It's a 2-tagger, I'll show you that. Two-tagger referring to the 2 trim tags. Pretty car, guys. Nice investment piece here. That's the great thing I think about Mopars. They're just so few and far between. It's why they're so expensive. They just hold their value. There's just not a lot out there. Dual sport mirrors. You see that down there? Factory power window card. That is on your trim tag. This is also on the trim tag. The car has a factory leather front bucket seats in it, and the driver's seat is a 6-way seat. The power windows do work. Factory overhead console. It's also got the factory rally dash. 79,000 is supposed to be your original miles. Factory tach engages, AM radio. Then it's got the factory pistol grip shifter. It's dual exhaust. It also has the factory 8 3/4 performance axle package with the 355 sure grip. This is all your Galen docks. It's all body color in here, like it should be. Hopefully I just didn't yank out the bulbs pulling that mat up. And again, we got some real good pictures of the underside for you. Guys, I know right now I've got about 25 cars here that I don't have advertised, and I know guys are getting upset with me. You see how nice the bottom of that car is. It's just been crazy busy. Of course, I like to do all the videos myself, but you're welcome. Like I say, you can always pick up the phone, call the guys. They'll get you, cell phone videos of a car running. Because I know guys get upset. I know this week alone, I think they sold like 3 cars that never got advertised, and that gets people a little upset with me. We're really just a small family outfit, guys. There's about 4 of us that really do most of the work here. Yeah, it's got the dual sport mirrors. Good car too, man. Nice and tight. Car runs nice and smooth, shifts out good, runs on pump gas. Shaker hood is super cool. Again, we got the little, you see a little armature, we'll fix that. Tach works. I know that clock works. Probably tap it and it'll work. All your gauges are working there. Yeah, there it goes. Just sticking a little bit. Parking brake does work. Now I'm going to see the sun's directly behind. A little bit. See them. Yep. There you go. If we can see that. Reverse light works. Oh, your overhead console lights work. Reverse light works. No on the radio. And I wasn't getting anything on that blower motor either, Jay. Wipers work. Oh, we got a bulb out on this side. We'll get that fixed. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook or our Instagram page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That's a pretty car, man.